peace. We have a new video, the first video from Sham's Corner. I'd like to ask him a question.
Right.
So, what is going on in the world today?
Okay. Well, I'm going to give you a biblical perspective. Since I study the Bible a lot, and I study history, world history, study many different sciences and stuff like that. So what is going on in the world today is utter madness. Utter madness, the vanity of man. The man thinks that he's God. And, you know, basically the man that thinks that he's God is the white man through his science. Science is his God. But so far he has overreached in his science and it's backfiring against him. So therefore he's destroying the whole world little bit by little bit. He's destroying himself in his pride, and so forth like that. In that it is affecting us, so-called black people, people of color. We're the Israelites according to the Bible, most of us anyway, that are here on the shores of western shores, you know, North America. And you know, us being the children of the Lord, we are here. These are all part of the curses that is coming against us. These are all part of the curses that's coming against us in something called Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter being an organization that was created by sisters that were lesbians and stuff, for the fact of the different ways that black people were being killed and tortured by white police or this system. Okay, but these are curses that are written in the Bible, and that's what's coming against us. All these different curses, if you go to Jeremiah the 16th chapter, it'll tell you that. And there are many more other chapters that tell you that's what's happening against us. Also too, in the Bible, we are in what's called the last days. We're in the last days and time. So all you gotta do is look at the signs, the different scriptures, showing you for you to add up as to why we're in the last days. Last days of what? If you go to Matthew the 24th chapter, it's going to tell you that there shall be wars and rumors of wars and pestilences and earthquakes in diverse places. So the world is slowly crumbling apart. Okay, so which means that we're in the last days. When is this thing going to end? Nobody knows for say. So when somebody, some group is trying to tell you, well, the world is going to end in 2019 like they predicted last year, which was a lie. Okay, you have to follow the scriptures and so forth like that. So that's what's happening in the world right now. What's happening in, you know, envy, malice, greed, hatred, fornication. People are believing in false gods, false philosophies, and man is going to start to move against man more and more, as you're already seeing in you know, TV stations and so forth like that. So that's what's happening. You have the wrong people or the right people that has become the president of this country, and they're bringing forth exactly how a great majority of these people that rule this country feel, which is so-called white people. You understand? So this is what's happening in the last days and stuff like that. But it's not the end. It is not the end. The end of this world or these kingdoms is going to be in what's called the Third World War, which is going to be in the Valley of Jehoshaphat. Okay? So this pestilence right now, which is called the coronavirus, is just a pestilence, just like any other pestilence. So it's causing problems. So what you have to do is you have to take care of yourself, and you know, if you're going to die, die in Christ. That's the main, most important thing. A lot of people out here are not dying in Christ. They're dying in their own philosophies, Christian philosophies, Roman Catholic philosophies, you know, whatever philosophy you're in. If you're not in according to the Bible, according to the Savior, you will have trouble. So remember, the Savior is a black man, so-called black man, Revelation, the 1st chapter, the 14th and 15th verse. And his father is another black man, the book of Daniel, the 7th chapter, the 9th verse. So read those verses for yourself, man. You understand? It'll draw a crystal clear outline for you that you won't have to worry about anything. All right? With that, I say peace.